In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Autosave function in AutoCAD. It's a handy feature that can save you a lot of time and effort by automatically saving your work at regular intervals, ensuring that you don't lose your progress in case of unexpected software crashes or power outages. So let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to want to open up AutoCAD on your computer. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the command line interface at the bottom of your screen. This is where we'll input our command to access the necessary options. Type in the letters OP, short for options, and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will open up a new window titled Options, where we can customize various settings for AutoCAD to suit our preferences. With the Options window now visible, look toward the top and you'll notice several different tabs. For our purpose, you'll want to click on the Open and Save tab. This section of AutoCAD's options deals with settings related to opening, saving, and managing your files, making it the perfect place to find our Autosave settings. As you find yourself in this tab, the next destination in our journey is the section labeled File Safety Precautions. This is where AutoCAD's Autosave functionality resides. Within this segment, you will see an option marked Automatic Save. This is the magic checkbox that will enable the Autosave feature once activated. Simply click on it so that a checkmark appears, which indicates that the Autosave feature is now ready to be customized and put into action. With the box checked, you will notice alongside it there's a field where you can specify the interval at which your work will be saved automatically. The default is usually around 10 minutes, but you have the freedom to set this to any duration that fits your workflow best. If you're working on large, complex files, a shorter interval might be wise to ensure that minimal progress is lost in the event of a disruption. Once you've chosen the appropriate time interval, you're almost done. To finish up, you'll need to save these changes by moving your cursor to the bottom of the Options window. Here, you'll find buttons labeled Apply and OK. Clicking Apply will save your changes without closing the window, allowing you to tweak more settings if needed. However, if you're satisfied and ready to continue working, clicking OK will both save your adjustments and close the Options window. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled the Autosave feature in AutoCAD. This simple yet effective change will help protect your hard work as you continue to design and create.